Let me enlighten you. The highest form of human nature is love. And I've gotten to recognize that life is responding to your sacrifice, to what you have put in, to the energy you have put in. Then it gets to reflect back in your reality as opportunity, money, gift, or anything. But the major reason why most of every individuals get to struggle, I'm not speaking from external outcomes, be it governmental policy, inflation, or environmental crisis. No, I'm speaking from a higher perspective, which all lies within. Is that those who struggle in what they are doing is nothing more than they don't love what they are doing. They don't love what they find themselves doing. They are filled with negativity. They are filled with hate, complaint, nag. How do you expect to receive more? And if you ask the rich, those who are wealthy, ask them, do you love what you do? No doubt, no question. I so much love it. Because of what? The moment there is no love in what you find yourself doing, what tends to happen? There is no peace. And in anything that you can't find peace in, it will only be chaos. And the moment your internal state is not at peace, it is not at rest, it is hard for you to receive. And success, wealth, riches, opportunity, they all flow into peace, into where there's alignment, into where there's serenity within thyself. But most of every individuals are caught up into doing what they don't love, filled with negativity, complaint, just walking blindly, just putting in effort blindly, just sacrificing blindly, and not carrying out efforts with alignments, not carrying out inspired action based on your God within thyself. They only feel that if I do this, I will get the relief I am looking for. But the moment they find themselves doing it, they don't see the relief, they don't see the result. What tends to happen? They begin to complain, they begin to lag. No love, but all negativity, all pessimistic. Everything lies within yourself. And life is responding from who you are, reflecting your state of being. And your state of being filled with chaos, it is always on survival mode. Trust me, it won't get to attract peace, wealth, riches. My dear friend that is actually listening to this video I'm about to pass across to everyone, anything you find yourself doing, love it. Put in your energy. Never care about what external people are saying to you, because it is your world, it is your own reality. And what gets to determine your reality is your perception, the way you view yourself, the way you see yourself. Nothing else, external noise, external validation, it never matters. They are only temporary. But your perception, the way you view yourself, your self-worth, the love you have for your craft, the love you have for what you do, it gets to reflect back in your reality, which gets to come as a result of money. Anything you truly desire. As from today, put in love or find what you love doing, and let life reflect back everything you desire to you. A symbol of enlightenment. Stay blessed.